Hello and welcome to WebDevy Builds, the Web Beast. Today we're going to start off by drawing our little body for our Web Beast. It's going to be an internet connected device, and let's not forget to draw the bottom there. It's going to show us some emotion, and with that we're going to need some ears to do that. And those ears are going to move up and down, and they're going to be powered by a servo. And on each servo is going to be some pixel sticks. Now, of course, each web beast is also going to need an eye, so we're going to do that next. We're going to draw a circle, and the eye is going to be powered by a pixel ring from Adafruit. I'm going to draw in some of the LEDs. So it's going to have 16 LEDs on the eye to control, and it's going to have 8 LEDs on the ears. It will also have a big red button to be able to turn off the sound and the lights and all the annoying stuff that it's going to do. We're also going to include a speaker on the inside of that thing. We're not going to draw that right now, but it will be behind the facade. So let's quickly add some more labels to each one of the items. We're going to build this thing over the next couple of episodes, and each episode we're going to cover some parts of this device. We're going to build the outside, we're going to build the inside, and we're going to see how each one of those components moves and does its thing. We're also going to do a lot of soldering, so look forward to that. But first we're going to look at the components right after I'm done drawing out all these parts onto the whiteboard. Okay, let's look at the components. So on our left here we have our connectors. We're going to build our own connectors today. Using some cables and these little black things. They're basically the same thing we use for servo connectors. And yeah, the metal things are going to go inside. We're going to connect the wires to that. So let's move this thing away, and we'll go and look at some of the other components. First up, we're going to look at the big red button. Now it's pink. It's not red, but it's just a normal arcade button. I'll just put this in the box. Yeah, okay. So we have the servos. They're gonna power the ears, and they're gonna be great. They're very cheap and they're very small. Next up are some 10K resistors. We're gonna use them for the button. We have the pixel sticks, 8 LEDs, and they're very, 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 very bright. The pixel ring, which we're going to use for the eye. It's 16 pixels, awesome. Our Ethernet Arduino, which we're going to use for the network connectivity, and well, basically its brain, right? Okay, I've covered up some of the metal on the Ethernet connection so we can prevent shorts. We've got 2 speakers. We're going to use them for the sound. We have a little board we're going to put our wiring and soldering onto. And some pins. We're going to use them to connect our connectors to. Thanks for watching, and next episode we'll start soldering our components, testing our connections, and making it blink. Over the next few episodes we're going to talk about where to buy our components, how to build the web components, and how to hook it all up to the web.